Mason, I missed 2. Oh! What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're out here on this awesome pond out here, and we're gonna try and catch some bass or whatever's out here, to be honest. Shout out to my buddy over there, Mason. He's all the way on the other side, for letting us use his kayak. And yeah, so let's get out there and let's see what we can catch. Oh, I'm low-key fearful for my life right now. Oh, there we go. All right, we're all set. Let's get out in the water. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the first spot. It's basically like a hydrilla mat over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but it'll extend out from all the bank all the way out here. Like, it's not even that deep right here. Well, it seems like, I mean, the hydrilla sticking all the way out here. Let's throw this little topwater bait and let's see if we can get something to hit, because today I'm going to bust that myth where people say, oh, bass won't hit topwater in the winter time, but I will bust that myth today. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Barely hooked. Oh, barely hooked them. Oh yeah, I busted that myth. Bass won't hit topwater during the winter time. That'd be nice to me, but oh yeah. Trying to. There we go. Look at that chunk. Whew. Look at him. It's probably about 2.5 pounds. Oh, good healthy looking bass. Oh. All right, see ya, dude. Oh, give me a little splash there. Whew. I'm a little wet now. It's currently 54 degrees right now. Slight wind, overcast skies. Hopefully if it gets a little bit warmer, I feel like the bite would get a little bit better. Oh, I got one. I don't even know. It's adjusting my kayak. What is this? Oh, it's a bass. A little guy. I didn't even know he ate it. Did not even see the topwater blow up. I was too busy adjusting myself with the paddle, but this little guy came up and ate it. See ya, dude. But oh, there's another one. What is that? Yeah, he's a little guy. Oh, little guy. Little squeaker McGee. Little guy. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think he's big. Nope, maybe not. Huh. They're just kind of skidding across the water. Oh, he just popped off. I got him by the gill. Oh yeah. Ooh, what is wrong with this fish? He's got like a little dip here in his head. Thanks for the fight, dude. It's number 4. Alright, I'm gonna back off the spot a little bit, fish around this area. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do is try and cast under that dock. But out. I suck at this. I can't skip anything. With the bait caster. Oh! Oh my god, such a good spot. Nah, yeah. I figured there'd be a whole bunch of hydro under there. What is that thing? Is that like a rooster or a bird? What is that? Is that a parrot? So what I think I'm gonna do is probably fish this side first and then kayak all the way back where we parked and then drift back again, but fish the other side of me and see if I can pull some fish out from that side. Oh! Oh god! I was adjusting the oh no, he just came off. I was taking my paddle and trying to adjust myself to get a better view, and he slammed it. Oh no, that was my fault. That definitely was my fault. He was a pretty decent sized fish. Dang it, that's my fault. Top water action today, guys. It's kind of hard to switch baits when you know when you're catching fish on a bait. It's really hard to swap. And for those avid fishermen out there, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, he's fighting now. Wasn't fighting earlier, but he's really fighting now. Another good size. Oh, almost hooked myself. Good size. So yeah, I had a random guy tell me about this pond, and me and my buddy Mason decided, hey, let's go there. And it's not too far from where we go to school at, so. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, have you caught any? You caught one, right? Or how many have you caught?
I've caught 2, but I've lost like 4. Like, they're hitting it like crazy, dude.
Yeah, same here. Like, I'm drifting down with the wind and just fishing along the bank, and I think I caught 5. One popped off. And yeah, and I got a couple missed strikes on this walking bait.
Yeah, like, I'm just using this little brush hog, and they're hitting it like crazy. I caught that one I caught that I sent you was probably about 2.5 or 3 pounds.
Yeah, that's probably like the biggest one I caught so far. Was at 2.5.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And the other one I caught was about a 1.5, but still, like, it's exciting. They're popping it really hard.
Oh yeah. All right, man.
Okay, I'll let you go.
All right, dude. Good luck, man. All right, bye. My butt is wet. Mason, I hope you don't mind. Oh, me sitting in your car with the wet butt when you watch this video. Little guy. I was just reeling it back in. Yeah, I was reeling it, burning it back in. This guy came up and hit. Little dink. We've reached the end. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's swimming towards me. He might jump. Oh. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Yeah, buddy. Oh my God. This guy's at least a 3-pounder. Oh my God, look at that size of that bass. Oh my God. Holy crap. He is huge. Look at that color on him. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Oh my God. This is a freaking amazing lake. Alright, got no Whopper Plopper. I guess we'll fish this side and slowly make our way back. Oh my, oh, I got him. Oh no, he popped. Where did Mason go? Did he go behind that little, I think he went to that creek right there. Probably gonna cast out a little bit since his algae mat starts to extend out. Mason, I missed 2. Oh! Oh my God. Dude, I think I just got a heart attack. Oh my God, my heart. I missed 3 now. I might swap back to that walking bait. There we go. He just, oh, I side hooked him. Yep, I think it popped off his mouth. Just popped off his mouth. They're not really aggressive towards it, they're just kind of side swiping it. Little guy, he's dark though.
Oh wow, yeah, it's like a little part.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure he probably like fishes on his like lunch break out there or something.
I think this little brush hog's about done for. Oh, got him.
Oh, he's in that weed. No, I don't think so. No, he's decent size. He's about to pop off though, because he missed it. About 2.5, almost. Yeah. I'm just in a bad angle right now. Trying to get. Not trying to get hooked here. The struggle is real when you don't have pliers on you. There we go. We said about almost 3 maybe? 2.5, almost 3?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell from here, but it looks really long and pretty. That's really pretty good. That's how I like my bass to look. Light belly, lateral line, and a dark back.
Oh yeah. Good looking size fish.
Cool.
Woo!
That's pretty. Yeah,
Woo.
the first one I caught was maybe just a smidge fatter than that one.
Mm-hmm. If you guys wanted to know my future plans, I finally got a job, and hopefully I can earn enough money and get myself the Vibe Sea Ghost I'm probably thinking about getting either the 11 footer or 13 footer. I'm not sure yet. They're both exactly the same, except the 13 footer has a sharper nose, but it sits lower to the ground compared to the 11 footer, which has a, I guess, more of a round nose, but it kind of curves up and it sits a little bit higher than the 13 footer. But for me, like, I mean, I'm not going to be fishing out on the coast or anything. I'll probably be fishing, you know, inland, you know, lakes, small streams. So I think the 11 footer is a way to go. I'll probably do some more research and look into it. But yeah, that's my future plan. Hopefully, if I can get that kayak, I definitely will be able to fish more, definitely a lot more in the spring, because I'll have a lot more access to, you know, different parts of a lake or a stream. So that's my future goals right there. Oh, what? Oh, there we go. He came back for it. Oh yeah, he came back for it. Oh yeah, he definitely missed it and came back for it. Oh yeah, chunky guy. These fish are pretty heavy. Good size. Alright, release. Oh, that was epic. That was so epic. Alrighty guys, I think I am going to call it a day. The topwater bite definitely slowed down, and I tried throwing swim baits, chatterbaits and all that, but they don't seem like they wanted any of that. So I think I'm gonna call it a day, and I think we're gonna go ahead and make it back to the truck. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're calling it a day. The fish stopped biting. Topwater was really slow. How many did you catch today?
I think like 7 or 8.
7 or 8. I think I caught about the same amount too. So yeah, so we're gonna head back and we're gonna call it a day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.